Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to step away from rum just a moment to make a whiskey-based cocktail, the Grand Avenue Manhattan. I'm going to stick to the classic proportions for making this Manhattan. I'm also going to stick to the classic way of making it. So that means 2 parts spirit, 1 part vermouth, and it also means stirred. So I'm going to start with my whiskey, the Studio Distilling rye malt whiskey. I'm going to put in 2 ounces, which is 60 milliliters. Next, the vermouth. 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of the Alisio vermouth Chinato. Finally, the bitters. I'm going to put in 7 drops of the bitter cube, Jamaican number 2. Grab my ice, add my ice, and give it a stir. Grab my glass, which is chilling in the fridge, and strain this into the coupe. Finally, no garnish. I'm going to drink it as is. So there you have it, the Grand Avenue Manhattan. Drink with good spirits.